Hello teachers and teacher leaders, my name is Jonathan. Thank you for watching this tutorial on reporting schedules. When you add your first class, you'll be taken to this classes screen. This is your home page where you will see the list of your classes. And underneath your classes, you're going to see your mission, and then there's some other resources here in your mission toolbox here. So there's two links that open up to PDFs. There's a reporting schedule for 2 quests and a reporting schedule for 3 quests. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 2 quests. The reporting schedule is designed to help you plan your year and give you an idea of what is coming. So this is for people who have clarity data and can see your different reports here in this column. So you have reading diagnostic, first growth report, annual report, because on average, many schools, districts complete 3 seasons in a year, but you can go continue, second growth report, and then your third growth report. This happens after every 12 quests, as you can see right here. So at the end of 12 quests in the second column, you will have a reading diagnostic that you can look at and review with your colleagues, with your students. And we're projecting that your season 1 will end or finish around the end of October. This is nice because you can predict now, if you're doing 2 quests per week, where you will probably receive your diagnostic. So our assessments are embedded in practice. So we don't pull kids out or have them spend 2 class periods completing a diagnostic. They Quindew, they learn. And the diagnostic happens after 12 quests, or what we call like our reading lessons or experiences. So there's no separate test that the students have to take, but you still get that great diagnostic data. After 24 quests, which is what we call season 2, at the close of that, you'll get your first growth report. So you'll start to see how your students are growing as readers. If you use NWEA MAP, we also give RIT scores at this time, so predicting what their MAP scores will be. This will happen in late December. Now, this accounts for all sorts of things. The beginning of the year, getting to know your kids, the lovely fire drills that we all go through, the assemblies, just the interruptions, the curriculum that takes longer than we thought. It's all kind of planned into this. So this is a reasonable date to finish your 12 quests. And so your annual report will be available after 36 quests. So that's 36 texts, 36 lessons. That's quite a bit of reading, a lot of practice for your kids. So you get your annual report. Now over here is a column that just suggests what you could be doing or should be doing during these seasons. And we really like this because it helps you understand what the focus is for that season and how you might help your kids along in the process and help them just improve their scores and be stronger readers in Quindew. If you go back to your mission, you're going to see a schedule for 3 quests per week. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And you'll notice right away that there's a season 6. So season 6 now is achievable because you're doing 3 quests per week. If you do 2 quests per week, you probably will not get to season 6. Now, what our data shows is that the more seasoned students complete, the more they grow as readers, the more they learn. So you do want to complete as many seasons as possible. That's the goal. But here's season 1, 12 quests, early October. It comes a little earlier because you're doing more per week. Makes sense. And you still get that reading diagnostic. And then season 2 is mid-November, again, earlier, and you get your first growth report. And then detailed instructions on what you could be doing instructionally to support the work that's happening in Quindew, to support your students, and to really boost your reading grades or your reading grade level. So these are our report schedules that are in the mission, and you're going to find these once you create your first class. They do not show up until you have this classes page. So you have to create your class, and then your missions text box will open and provide more materials. including, if you scroll down, some of our new Quindew posters that help teach the vocabulary, academic vocabulary that is needed for students to be successful in Quindew. So it's all here under your mission. Really excited about this. Stay tuned. Lots of new resources, lots of new features coming out. Thanks for Quindewing with us, and thanks for taking this journey and taking on this mission.